Happy New Year for all of you and your family. 2025 kicks off with an exciting update. We're thrilled to announce the release of Nobara 41. Packed with features and improvements, here's everything you need to know. Base updates. Nobara 41 is now based on Fedora 41, bringing all the latest improvements from its core. Installer enhancements. The Calamares installer has been revamped with new features, including an on-screen keyboard toggle for better accessibility. You can now install Nobara entirely offline, no internet required. Graphics and drivers Mesa improvements. Nobara now ships with the latest stable Vulkan drivers. Plus, for advanced users, you can easily switch to Git drivers through the driver manager. We've fixed screen tearing issues during recording by introducing a new Mesa libgallium free world package. NVIDIA updates. Open NVIDIA drivers are now default, but older GPUs supported by the closed driver may need manual setup. Quality of life features. The Nobara updater is smarter, with a sleek new system tray icon and click-to-install functionality for RPM files. The new Nobara Tweak Tool lets you control auto-mounting of drives, manage auto-updates for HTPCs and handheld systems, customize controller settings for better gaming support. Driver Manager improvements ROCm packages now align with Fedora's versions for compatibility with Blender and DaVinci Resolve. Additional CUDA support, Broadcom wireless drivers, and even specialized Asus and Xbox controller drivers have been added. Welcome App Upgrades Discord Canary is now the default option, offering screen sharing under Wayland. Blender is directly available, supporting H.264 recording. Installing or updating DaVinci Resolve is now a breeze with the reworked wizard. HTPC and handheld optimizations. Nobara now offers a console-like experience with auto updates, no grub menu timeout, and built-in DeckyLoader with pre-installed plugins like Web Browser, ProtonDB badges, and Quick Launch. Theming tweaks. The KDE theme now feels more polished with improved icons and support for KDE 6, and that's just the beginning. Nobara 41 is built to make your experience smoother, whether you're gaming, creating, or just exploring Linux. Download it now and experience the future of Linux. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Ask Linux channel.